Bangkok, baby. Bangkok, baby. Walking in Bangkok. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Walking in Bangkok. Ooh, through the streets. Meandering in the streets. Ooh, streets of Bangkok. Walking those damn cool streets of Bangkok. Walking, walking, walking. Just walking, walking, walking. Ooh, walking those old beautiful streets of Bangkok.
So this particular street's called Thanon Burana Sat. And what we're gonna do is walk down it and kind of capture all the feeling of it. And we'll just go directly down this way. Just for a little bit of context. We're kind of along this little riverfront area. We got some beautiful architecture as well. So very, very interesting. So let's go down our target street, which is Thanon Burana Sat. Walking the streets of Bangkok. I'm filming the streets, so you can see exactly where we're at in Bangkok. And we're going to be going down it, and I also have a lot of other streets in Bangkok, so just kind of stay tuned. I'll put up a new one every 3-4 days or so. So keep watching for more of those. Okay. Some really cool architecture right there too. So we're going to be walking all the way down that way. Check out this balcony up that way. All those beautiful balconies. So that's all on this particular street. I'm just gonna try to capture. This is all the back part, so we're gonna put that behind us, and then we're gonna walk down further. It's pretty chill. Hello. Oh, wow. Yeah, he's playing dead.
Yeah, very nice, very nice.
Coffee cup. I'm gonna walk down the street and see. It's beautiful. Thank you so much. Coffee cup. I'm from the United States. American. Coffee cup. Thank you so much. So pretty cool. So this street looks really lively. It's really kind of interesting. So we're capturing kind of feels more like we're not too far from where all the backpackers and tourists stay, and then it changes a lot over here. There's some hotels. There's a Bangkok hotel, so there must be some tourists that stay in here too. City heritage. I might put this on the low light thing. Let me just play around with that. So I don't know if that makes a difference or not. I just changed the setting so that we're on like kind of a low light setting. I think it's starting to get a little bit dark, and maybe I need to make it more lighter. Pretty cool area though. Selling all kinds of stuff in here. Yeah, pretty cool. I think you can buy all kinds of used goods and such in this area. Huh. Wow. This is really unique. I didn't really expect to have all these things here like this. This is very, very local. Huh. Very cool. Let me just kind of go like that, and I'm gonna cross the street here. But yeah, this is pretty interesting. We're gonna keep on going down that way. But yeah, this is Burana Sat is the name of that street. It's really different. Didn't really expect a street quite like this. Street food, fish. Places to sit. I think they can do karaoke in here maybe. This is pretty cool. So we're gonna wow, this is such a different slice of Bangkok. We're still kind of in this downtown area. I just didn't know it quite looked like this. It just seems like there's always more to explore. Yeah, this one is really like where Thai people live. And do business. It's pretty cool. Okay, anyways, another slice of Bangkok. Okay, let me just see here. These little restaurants, 24 hours. There's more to explore than I realize sometimes. Even these streets look really interesting to walk down. Some of the stores here. Like, look at this storefront up here. Like a little cafe. Looks super cool though. Yeah, this street is beautiful balcony up there. Somebody's lifting weights. Anyways, this Poshtel. This video is, the battery's gonna be out pretty soon, and then this video will be ending. And there's a dog. I don't know how territorial that dog is. Okay. That's a really beautiful building right there too. So we're still on our street here, Burana Sat. Oh, it's quite photogenic. City, Poshtel. And we're gonna come up to an end. So I think the end of the street is gonna be this. Let me capture how beautiful this building is. And on this side we have some apartments. This whole area is really underutilized. I mean, there's lots of people living here, but I mean, like, the housing is beautiful. Sort of alleys. So we're gonna come up to the end, and this will be these are little shops in here. Hello. So pretty cool little space. Okay, so we're going to come to an ending. I was saying something about me, but I don't know what it was. But so you said something about Farang, and then somebody else waved and smiled. Okay, so we're coming up to the end here of our street. And it's basically all these little shop houses. And my battery will die. So this will be the last video I'll be filming of Bangkok for today. So that was it. You know, it looks like there's more interesting stuff down this way. But anyways, so that's going to conclude